Electric vehicles are taking over roads worldwide, but even the smartest EV owner might be missing out on simple hacks that save battery, boost range, and even save money. Today, we're sharing 20 genius EV hacks you'll wish you knew earlier. Stick around until the end because Hack 20 might completely change how you drive your EV. Hack 1: Precondition your battery before driving or charging. Your EV's battery performs best at the right temperature. Driving with a cold or overheated battery not only reduces range but also slows charging. Luckily, most EVs allow you to precondition your battery using the mobile app. For example, if it's a chilly morning, warming the battery before your drive means you'll get maximum efficiency and faster charging when you arrive at a station. It's a simple step, but it can make a huge difference over the life of your battery. Hack 2: Schedule charging during off-peak hours. Most electricity providers charge lower rates at night. By scheduling your EV to charge during these off-peak hours, you can save 20 to 40% on your monthly electricity bill. It's easy to do in your EV's app. Just set the time when your car should start charging. Imagine this: instead of paying high daytime rates, your car quietly charges overnight, ready for the morning drive without costing you a fortune. Hack 3: Stop charging at 80% for daily use. Battery longevity is key for EV owners. Charging to 100% every day puts extra stress on your battery and shortens its lifespan. Instead, keep daily charging capped at 80%, and only go to 100% for long trips. This small habit can save you thousands in battery replacement costs over the years and keeps your EV running at peak efficiency for longer. Hack 4: Use eco mode and regenerative braking together. Many EVs have an eco mode that limits energy consumption and regenerative braking settings to recover energy while slowing down. Combining both can add up to 15% more range during city driving. Picture this: stop and go traffic is no longer a drain on your battery. Every stop actually adds energy back, helping you go further between charges. Hack 5: Preheat or pre-cool while plugged in. Instead of using the driving battery to heat or cool the cabin, precondition the car while it's plugged in. This ensures that your EV is comfortable from the moment you start driving, without wasting precious battery power. Whether it's a freezing winter morning or a scorching summer day, preconditioning keeps the cabin perfect and maximizes your available driving range. Hack 6: Maintain optimal tire pressure. Low tire pressure reduces efficiency. Keep your tires inflated to the recommended levels. It may seem small, but it can increase your range by up to 10%. Check tire pressure monthly, especially before long trips, to ensure your car is running efficiently. This simple habit is easy, fast, and can save both energy and money over time. Hack 7: Turn off always connected features when not needed. Many EVs constantly communicate with the cloud, GPS, or apps. This always-on feature drains battery slowly over time. When parked for long periods, turning off unnecessary connectivity features reduces phantom drain. It's a simple tweak that can preserve your battery for longer trips and make sure your EV is ready when you are. Hack 8: Use the departure time feature. Set your departure time in the EV app. The car will automatically precondition itself, warm up the battery, and optimize energy usage before you start driving. It's perfect for winter mornings or hot summer afternoons, ensuring your battery is at peak efficiency and your cabin is comfortable right when you get in. Hack 9: Keep aero surfaces and sensors clean. Dirty sensors and aerodynamic surfaces reduce efficiency. Clean your cameras, mirrors, and body panels regularly. Not only does this improve autopilot and driver assist performance, but it also helps your car glide more smoothly through the air, slightly increasing your range. A clean EV is an efficient EV. Hack 10: Carry a portable EVs charger. Sometimes public chargers are busy or unavailable. Carry a portable EVs charger, a small investment that allows you to plug in at standard outlets when necessary. It's perfect for emergencies or when traveling to remote areas where charging infrastructure may be limited. Being prepared ensures you never get stranded. Hack 11: Fast charging best practices. Fast chargers are convenient, but frequent use can degrade battery health if not done wisely. The best practice is to use fast charging when your battery is between 10% and 60%. This avoids overheating and stress. Reserve 100% fast charging for long trips only, and you'll extend your battery's lifespan significantly. Hack 12: Warm your battery before fast charging. Arriving at a fast charger with a cold battery reduces charging speed and efficiency. Drive a few minutes to warm up your battery first. This can double charging speed and reduce stress on the battery. It's a simple step that saves time and keeps your EV healthy. Hack 13: Use EV apps for optimal routes. Apps like ABRP, PlugShare, and ZapMap show real-time charger availability, energy consumption, and the most efficient routes. Planning your route with these apps saves time, energy, and stress. Imagine driving without range anxiety, knowing the nearest charger is available and your battery will last the whole trip. Hack 14. Reduce drag on highways. Highway driving consumes a lot of energy. Fold mirrors when safe, keep smooth surfaces clean, and remove unnecessary roof attachments. These small adjustments reduce aerodynamic drag and slightly improve efficiency. Every little bit counts when maximizing EV range. Hack 15. Use seat heaters instead of cabin heater. Heating the entire cabin consumes significant battery energy. Using seat heaters instead saves energy while keeping you warm. Especially in winter, this small hack can noticeably extend your driving range while keeping you comfortable. Hack 16. Install charge port magnets or clips in cold climates. In cold regions, charge ports can freeze or stick. A small magnet or clip keeps the port free and functional. It's a cheap hack that saves frustration and prevents potential damage, especially during winter months. Hack 17. Store battery between 20% and 80% for long-term health. Long-term battery health is improved when storing your EV between 20% and 80% charge. This is recommended by Tesla, BYD, and other manufacturers. Avoid leaving your EV at 100% or 0% for extended periods. It reduces degradation and keeps your EV performing well for years. Hack 18. Smart regenerative braking. Use high regenerative braking in city traffic to recover energy during stops, and low regenerative braking on highways for smooth driving. Adjusting regenerative settings to match driving conditions maximizes energy recovery and improves overall efficiency. Hack 19. Use solar trickle charging for 12 volts maintenance. Some EV owners install small solar trickle chargers to maintain the 12 volts battery, reducing phantom drain. It's a simple, low-cost addition that keeps the auxiliary battery healthy and ready for use. Hack 20. Park in shade or a garage to protect battery. Heat is one of the silent killers of lithium-ion batteries. Parking your EV in shade or a garage reduces battery degradation over time and keeps your car cooler, improving both efficiency and lifespan. A simple parking habit can save your battery in the long run. And there you have it, 20 real EV hacks that every owner should know. Which hack surprised you the most? Comment below and let us know. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more techie tales about EVs, AI, and future technology.